struggling to eat healthy on a tight budget? It's easier than you think. In this video, we'll share simple tips, meal plans, and tricks to help you eat well without breaking the bank. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that healthy food has to be expensive. After all, when you walk into a store, those organic labels and fresh produce can sometimes seem out of reach, especially when you're on a tight budget. But here's the thing, eating healthy doesn't have to be about buying the most expensive items on the shelf. It's about making informed choices, knowing where to spend and where to save, and understanding that with a little creativity, you can stretch your food dollars further than you ever thought possible. Let's start by talking about meal planning, which is one of the most effective ways to eat healthy on a budget. Planning your meals in advance allows you to take control of your food choices, reduce waste, and ensure that you're getting a balanced diet without overspending. Begin by creating a weekly meal plan that includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Focus on simple, wholesome meals that are easy to prepare and made from affordable ingredients. Think about incorporating whole grains, legumes, seasonal vegetables, and lean proteins into your meals. These foods are not only nutrient-dense, but also budget-friendly. Once you've planned your meals, the next step is to create a shopping list. This is where you can really start to save money. Having a list helps you stay focused on what you need, avoiding impulse buys that can quickly add up. As you make your list, consider items that can be used in multiple meals. For example, a bag of brown rice can serve as a base for stir fries, a side dish for grilled chicken, or even as a filler for stuffed peppers. Beans are another versatile ingredient. They're inexpensive, packed with protein, and can be used in soups, salads, or as a main dish. When you head to the grocery store, one of the best strategies for sticking to your budget is to shop the perimeter of the store. This is where you'll find fresh produce, dairy, and proteins, which are the building blocks of a healthy diet. The middle aisles are often filled with processed foods that can be more expensive and less nutritious. However, don't completely avoid the middle aisles, as this is where you'll find pantry staples like rice, beans, and canned vegetables, which can be incredibly affordable and useful in your meal planning. Another tip for saving money while eating healthy is to buy in bulk whenever possible. Items like grains, nuts, seeds, and even some frozen fruits and vegetables can often be purchased in larger quantities at a lower cost per serving. Bulk buying reduces packaging waste and often allows you to get more bang for your buck. Just be sure to store bulk items properly to prevent spoilage. If you're worried about the cost of fresh produce, remember that frozen and canned vegetables and fruits can be just as nutritious as their fresh counterparts, and often come at a lower price. Frozen fruits and vegetables are usually picked at peak ripeness and quickly frozen, locking in their nutrients. Canned vegetables are also a good option, especially when fresh produce is out of season. Just be sure to rinse canned vegetables to reduce sodium content and look for options that are canned in water or their own juice rather than syrup or brine. Eating healthy on a budget also means being smart about your protein sources. While meat can be one of the more expensive items on your shopping list, there are plenty of affordable protein options that are just as nutritious. Eggs, for example, are a cost-effective source of high-quality protein and can be used in a variety of dishes. Legumes, like lentils and chickpeas, are another excellent and inexpensive protein source. They're also rich in fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied. Tofu and tempeh are great plant-based protein options that can be found at reasonable prices and used in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to salads. When it comes to beverages, water should always be your primary choice. It's not only free and easily accessible, but also incredibly healthy and essential for your body's overall functioning. Staying hydrated with water helps maintain energy levels, supports digestion, and promotes clear skin, making it a vital component of a healthy lifestyle. Instead of spending money on sugary drinks or overpriced coffees that can quickly drain your budget, make a conscious effort to choose water as your go-to drink. If you're craving something with a bit more flavor, consider making your own infused water by adding slices of fresh lemon, cucumber, or sprigs of mint. This simple addition can transform plain water into a refreshing and tasty beverage without any added sugars or artificial ingredients. Additionally, brewing your own tea at home is an excellent way to save money while enjoying a variety of flavors. Homemade tea is much cheaper than buying bottled teas or specialty drinks from cafes, and you have complete control over the ingredients. You can experiment with different types of tea, herbal blends, and even add your own sweeteners or flavorings, creating a personalized beverage that suits your taste and budget. By prioritizing water and homemade beverages, you can significantly improve your overall health while keeping your expenses in check. These small changes will support your well-being and help you stick to your financial goals. As we wrap up this guide, I want to emphasize that healthy eating on a budget is not about deprivation or settling for less. It's about making smarter choices, being resourceful, and understanding that with a bit of planning, you can enjoy nutritious, delicious meals without overspending. It's about shifting your mindset to see that eating well doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It just requires a bit of strategy and a willingness to try new things. Before we continue, if you're finding this content helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content like this to help you on your journey to healthier living. Now back to the heart of the matter. Why is healthy eating on a budget so important? It's not just about saving money, it's about taking control of your health in a way that's sustainable for the long term. When you're able to feed yourself and your family nutritious foods without breaking the bank, you're not only improving your physical health, but you're also reducing stress and creating a more balanced life. And remember, healthy eating isn't an all-or-nothing proposition. Even small changes, like incorporating more whole grains or choosing water over sugary drinks, can make a big difference over time. So, what's the answer to the question we started with? Is it really possible to eat healthy without overspending? Absolutely. With the right strategies, a little planning, and a focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods, you can eat well and stay within your budget. If you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more about healthy living without breaking the bank, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your journey to healthy eating on a budget starts here. So, grab your shopping list, plan those meals, and let's make healthy eating affordable for everyone. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon in the next episode. Until then, goodbye.